Hey, what's up guys, this is Cikgu Piano dari BBM Piano, Beli Piano Murah. So hari ini saya nak tunjukkan piano ni pun murah juga. Okay, this is the U1G. Okay, U1 is the most popular selling piano for exam grade lah. Okay, dekat sekarang pun memang dia popular lah. So this piano is around 50 years old. Yes, you hear me right, but we refurbished to like brand new, and then also it can last you for another 20 to 30 years, no problem at all. Okay, so what's so special about the U1G? Let's go! So U1G ni dia actually comes from the first generation, U1A, U1D, U1E, U1F, U1G, U1H. Okay, so this one is the G. Alright, it's the G, and then also it's 121 cm, 50 years old. Okay, so yang piano ni tak sampai 10,000, tak sampai 8,000, tak sampai 7,000. Alright, so we provide the best price guarantee in Malaysia used piano market sebab kita memang ada 500 to 600 units piano. So ada Klang branch, Damansara branch, and also Johor branch lah. Alright, so this is the G model lah.
Let's listen to Yamaha U1G sound.
Alright, so beli piano beli ke mana mestilah datang ke BBM Piano, Beli Piano Murah dengan Cikgu Piano Tan.